Alright, Toda, come on, let's leave. Alright. Okay, yeah, let's go. No. Yeah, let's go back to the competition island. Okay. In a minute. Wait, this door's locked. What? Wow. Wait, why is this locked in the first place? This is an island. Why is there a door so we can get out? Oh, you see, this is an indoor island. What? An indoor what? An indoor island. Yeah, it's kind of complicated. What do you mean an indoor island? Mom, what? So there's only one indoor island in the tight world. Wait, really? This is the only one? Well, not in the real world. In the Riz world. Get it? Because this channel is called Riz Worlds. And I'm Riz. So, get it? Stop licking the fourth wall, dude. Shut up. Anyways. Oh, that hurts. You know that? It hurts. Well, I don't care. Yep, it's locked. Just go to the doorknob and open it. What? Just go to the doorknob and open it. Oh, you see? The doorknob's broken. What? Nothing makes sense in this YouTube channel. Hey you, yes, the audience. Why are you watching this? Why do we have over one? Don't listen to him. Anyways, Toda. I'm gonna kill you. Why did you do that? I don't know. Oh, what happened? I love the fact that you're attacked. How? Well, I'm basically him. The cameraman, aka Riz Words. Hey you, shut up, okay, Toda? I just want to make this video super cool, alright? I'm gonna edit every single video that by this today. Well, kinda. Anyways, Toda, can you shut up and just go to the video? Wow, you're the one that's controlling me. Oh, yeah, right. What did you do that for? I don't know, I think it was funny. Anyways, so we're basically trapped here. Can you guys leave? Shut up, Mario. Anyways, yeah, we can't leave, so I'm just gonna. What are you doing? Okay, boom, that's. Alright, they're gone. Wait, how did you do that? With the power off? Nothing. Anyways, yeah, we're basically here. Well, in the loser island. We're gonna do a challenge in the loser island. What? Why? Wait, what was that? Nothing. Alright, anyway, so, what do we do? Why are you asking me? You know what to do. Oh! Alright, yeah. So, I just gotta teleport the loser people to the competition island, and the competition people go to the loser island. And they're there. How did you do that? The power off? Nothing. Wait, why is he here? And why are we at the loser islands, aka the room? Stop licking the fourth wall! Oh, what was that for? Anyways, so yeah, Toda will be joining you guys from now on, and he cannot be eliminated. in this episode. Because he just went back. And if he just got out again, that would be silly. I thought I'm safe for the challenge. But you still have to do it. I hate you. I don't care. And if you win, 3 of them don't have immunity. You have immunity already. So basically, if you win, you... What the heck happened? Oh yeah, Mr. Bear, can you fix that door so we can unlock it? Sure thing, bro. He can already open it. Shut up. Anyways, let me fix it. Ouch. Okay, back to sleep. What was that? Wow, was that a lightning strike? What do you mean that was nothing? Basically, that thing, yeah, that lightning strike there, yeah. We can only see it. The audience can't because this guy here, yeah, the cameraman, aka Lizwood, cannot edit. Shut up, bro. Just go on with the video. But you cannot edit, bro. You don't know how to edit. Even Alex and Plus know how to edit better than you. Shut up. Just go on. Fine, geez. Anyways, can you please stop making a post? One. Please. Fine, geez. Anyways, what happened? That was an electric shock, guys. An electric shock. Why is there a mirror over there? I can't. So this guy don't want us to. You, the cameraman, aka Oswald. You said shut up. So there's a mirror over there, up here. Yeah, there's a mirror. Yeah, and basically, the mirror. This guy can't show you the mirror, because he would do a face reveal. Yep, he would do a face reveal. I will not do a face reveal. Wait, what? I will not do a face reveal. I come clean. I will not do a face reveal. Why? Just stop wasting time. I already said it. I'm not doing a face reveal. Why? Because I don't want to. But you said if you hit 1K, you shut up. But fine. Anyways, I bet you both of them got electric shock. That we can already see because you don't know how to edit. Shut up. Anyways, just stop making the phone call. You didn't. You shut up, Foxy. Anyways, so it's basically. Whoa, was that a lightning strike that only we can see, the audience can, because Liz was aka the cameraman cannot edit. Why? You little shut up, Foxy. Anyways, whoa, that was a lightning strike. I think we have to get out of it. Come on. Yeah, facts. Please, I don't want to fall. Foxy, you better run. You might hit the, lightning strike that we can only see. Shut up! Alright. That's how I'm going back. Whoa, that was so close. It hurts. Shut up. Fine, geez. Anyways. Wait. I'm gonna turn this camera around. So you have to look. No. If you know that was coming, why did you do? I'm gonna turn the camera around. What did you do that for? I'm not doing a thing with it. Anyways, let's go. Ah! So Blade, I say we team up because we got lightning strike. Yeah, we got only see because you don't know how to ride it. Shut up! Oh! What do we do, Toda? What do we do? There's only one thing that we can do. I believe I can fly. I believe. Stop! I'm gonna sabotage. What? No, please don't. If you win, then no one will get immune. You'll have immune, so there's nothing to lose. Hey, yes! What? Don't you know this isn't a challenge? Is a challenge. What? Yeah, I'm still alive. How are you? Oh my god. Flashy, don't die, bro. Stop breaking the fourth wall, you idiot. Stop. What? What? Nothing. Do I win? That's the only question. Do I win? Yeah, you win. Yeah, you win, yeah. Alright, nice. But these are dead people. Like I said, plushies don't die. Anyways, I'm gonna just shake this phone around. Like, boom, okay. So, yeah. Time for voting. And why are you still there? I'm trying to fix the door. Oh my god. Looks like only 3 of you will remain after this voting. Total, you are safe. Stay there. Alright. So, as you know, if one of you guys are gonna get out. Oh yeah, you're running like this and that. And how do we gonna throw them? Well, actually, if we go in here, if we get thrown and we hit into the bucket, we actually get teleported. Alright? Anyways, yeah, basically, one of you guys are not gonna make it to the final 3, aka the last episode. Who would it be? We don't know. Alright. The person that's safe with 0 votes is Bonnie. Where's the book? We don't do that now. We don't. The book is useless. Alright, I'm just gonna say the name. Okay. Hey, Dad. The next person and the last person to be safe is Nya. Why is this sound like? Why is this sound? Shut up. No. Is that better? Wi-Fi, jeez. No. The last person that's safe is no, you! Blaze, you're safe. Yes, sir! With a total of 1 vote, aka Foxy. And Foxy with 3 votes, aka Blaze, Bonnie, and Dora. Bonnie, I thought we were the FNAF. We were supposed to win together. You're just annoying. I hate you. Time for the dark off. It's time for the 12 off. Anyways. Get out of here. Anyways, ready for your party. Why are you still that shy? Any last words? Yeah, I actually. How did you get? I beat the system. What point? Dang it, I missed. 3, 2, 1. It broke. What will happen next in the next episode of Total Riz Island? Who will win? win? Find out in the next episode. Please don't fall again. Oh my. Cameraman Liz, why are you doing that? Oh yeah, by the way, Liz out.